Nature's collection is made of natural marble, mined from some of the best quarries around the world. The marble is handcrafted into classic designs and hand-polished to create these time-honored products. The natural striation or vein is visible and different in every product, making each one a one-of-a-kind. These natural products symbolize the leadership, wisdom, inspiration, and achievement of their designs. Think of crystal images for all your awards needs. If you don't see what you want on our website, we will create the award for you.